Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create links for photos in Google Drive. This is super handy for sharing images with friends, family, or colleagues. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, find the photo you want to share. You can do this by navigating through your folders or using the search bar at the top. Now right click on the photo and then you'll see a menu with several options. Or what you need to do is click on get link. A new window will pop up. By default, the sharing settings are restricted, which means only people with access can view the file. To change this, click on the drop down menu that says restricted and select anyone with the link. Now you can decide what level of access to give. For sharing photos, viewer access is usually sufficient. Make sure viewer is selected. Next, click copy link. This will copy the shareable link to your clipboard. Now you can paste this link anywhere you want to share it, in an email, a chat, or on social media. And that's it. You've successfully created a shareable link for a photo in Google Drive. Easy, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.